welcome back to our channel. I am here to bring you some organizational inspiration. Does that make sense? Most of us are at home now and we have a little free extra time, so why not use that time to get organized? We're spending more time than ever at home, and if you're like me, I just enjoy being at home more. If there's not clutter everywhere and things are kind of organized and they have a place. And I also have 3 kids, 4 and under, so life is already kind of crazy and chaotic, and we homeschool. So I don't really have time throughout my day to always be looking for things and digging through things. I kind of just need to know like where things are just so I can grab it and go. So I'm trying to take this time as we're at home to organize more of my spaces. And today I'm in my bathroom, as you can see, and I'm about to tackle a project that I've been wanting to get around to for a while now, and that is under my side of the bathroom sink. I'm just gonna be doing my side today. My husband has his side over there, but I think that underneath this one cabinet is gonna be a big enough project for one day. Like I said, I have 3 kids, so I can only get like a fraction of the things done that I set out to get done in that day. So if I can get my side of the sink organized today, I'm gonna say that it was a success. So I hope that you will join me and that you'll get inspired and excited to get organized at your own home. So let's get started. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like now. Before, things are kind of just thrown in here, especially in these little containers. I can never find anything I need. I'm always digging. So I need to go through all of this and purge, get rid of the things I don't use, throw out expired stuff. And I guarantee you I'm gonna find things that I had no idea I had, so I'm actually really excited about that part. First things first, I'm gonna be pulling everything out from this cabinet, and I'm gonna wipe the cabinet down really well. It just gets dusty and dirty and things spill, it gets sticky, so I have no idea what it's gonna look like when I pull everything out, but I'm gonna get a wet cloth and just wipe it down really well before I put anything back. I'm also gonna wipe down all of the products and everything too, because sometimes they can get greasy and they can leak a little bit, so we want everything to be really clean when we put it back in. And I'm gonna be going through all my products, curling iron, straighteners, everything, and only keeping what I use. And then I'll know what I'm working with when I have just the things I'm keeping, and I'll know what kind of containers and things and what sizes I need to get. And I went shopping around my house for those things. Thankfully, I found some spare containers that I wasn't using, and I grabbed a basket from the guest bathroom closet that I was using in there, but I didn't really need it. I could use it better in here. So I shopped around my house and was able to find some things that I'm gonna use. And maybe down the road, I'll find things at the store that I like better and I could trade them out. So don't let that stop you if you feel like you don't have what you need to get organized, because I bet you do have something you can use around your house. All my hair products, and they are all different shapes and sizes, but I'm actually going to be putting them in the same container just so that I can label this hair and I will know right where to go when I open that cabinet and I need something for my hair. So I'm going to wipe down all these products just to make sure they're really clean and dust free before I put them away in the hair container. You guys, I have a hair container, so I'm feeling really organized right now. The fact that I have a container precisely for hair. dedicating this container to all things face and body. So moisturizers, face masks, face wash. Since I finished my cabinet, I have a little extra time, so I'm gonna go through a couple of these drawers. This one is full of mostly old nail polish that I just need to go through and throw away. So I'm gonna go through this, clean it out, and then reorganize it. I really love how this cabinet turned out, and you guys, I cannot believe I forgot to film a clip talking about this shelf. So my husband ran out to the garage and took all of 10 minutes to build me this shelf so that I could have a second level, not only for organizing, but it just helped it all look so much nicer. Guys, we did it, and we made it before sunset. I was losing my light in here, I was getting worried, but we did it, and I'm excited about how it turned out. I'm gonna have no problem finding anything under my sink anymore. It's gonna make getting ready so much easier and faster. I hope that you are excited and felt inspired to go knock out some of those projects around your house and just to get organized. It really does make such a difference in just everyday life, because you can, when everything has a place, you can spend less time cleaning and more time doing things that you want to do, like spending time with your family or maybe working on a hobby. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.